Lack of oxygen in the brain for 5 to 10 minutes results in permanent brain damage. Testicles in the brain. The pathologist who made Einstein body's autopsy stole his brain and kept it in a jar for 20 years. 11.60% of your brain is fat. Dieting could force your brain to eat itself, scientists say. The human brain has the same consistency as tofu. The smell of chocolate increases theta brain waves, which triggers relaxation. The brain releases so much dopamine during orgasms that a brain scan resembles that of someone on heroin. Forgetting is good for the brain. Deleting unnecessary information helps the nervous system retain its plasticity. Alcohol doesn't make you forget anything. When you get blackout drunk, the brain temporarily loses the ability to create memories. Sphenopalatine ganglion neuralgia is the scientific term for brain freeze. Your brain keeps developing until your late 40s. There is no left brain/right brain divide. It's a myth, they work together. Long-term mobile phone use significantly increases the risk of brain tumors, a study found. Sleep deprivation affects the brain in multiple ways that can impair judgment and slow reaction. The brain treats rejection like physical pain, according to scientists. It only takes 6 minutes for brain cells to react to alcohol. When you learn something new, the structure of your brain changes. Half our brains can be removed by surgery with no apparent effect on personality or memory. By 2023, the average US $1,000 laptop will be just as fast as the human brain, according to Ray Kurzweil. Music triggers activity in the same brain structure that releases the pleasure chemical dopamine during sex and eating. Due to the new discovery of many brain parasites, scientists now think a zombie apocalypse is actually possible. New brain connections are created every time you form a memory. The feeling of certainty can be triggered without the need for facts or reasoning, using electric stimulation over a specific part of the brain. We have more brain cells as a newborn baby than we will ever have again. Half of your genes describe the complex design of your brain, with the other half describing the organization of the other 98% of your body. A baby's brain can use up to 50% of the total glucose supply, which may help explain why babies need so much sleep. In 2015, the fourth most powerful supercomputer in the world took 40 minutes to simulate just 1 second of human brain activity. The human brain is composed of about 100 billion neurons plus a trillion glial cells. At rest, your brain uses 1/5 of a calorie per minute. Your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body. There's a virus that attacks human DNA, making people less intelligent, impairing brain activity, learning and memory. When awake, the human brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Violent homes have the same effect on children's brains as combat on soldiers. It's scientifically proven that even a small dose of power changes how a person's brain operates and diminishes empathy. You have taste receptors in the stomach, intestines, pancreas, lungs, anus.